Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw Granny Bluey. That's right. We're going to draw a cute Granny Bluey. This Bluey will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the Granny Bluey's cool granny glasses. If you like, you can draw a completely different shape or style to your Granny Bluey's glasses. Use your imagination and fun with the drawing. Next, we will draw in Bluey's snout, and I will draw a big smile on Bluey's face. If you like, you can change up the expression on Bluey's face. She can be happy, sad, or even surprised. I will add in some eyebrows to help Bluey better express her emotions. Next, we will draw in the rest of Granny Bluey's blanket that she covers herself with. Let's not forget to draw in Bluey's feet at the bottom. Doesn't Granny Bluey look so cute already? We are now finished with the outline. Let's start coloring our Granny Bluey. I will use my pink marker to color her glasses. Feel free to switch up any of the colors and have fun with your drawing. I will use my sunshine orange to color in Bluey's snout next. Now I will use my blue marker to color in her body. Let's try our best to color within the lines and not leave any white gaps. I don't do a perfect job of this, but that's okay. I think it's more important to enjoy the drawing process and just have fun. Feel free to change up the colors or try using different types of blues. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Now we are ready to color in Granny Bluey's blanket. Feel free to add in a design on the blanket, like a heart or star pattern if you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your Bluey. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your Bluey's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow! Look at our amazing little Granny Bluey. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of Granny Blueys in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of our Granny Bluey. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.